Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Vegan Cookbooks is probably one of the most sought-after resources for individuals transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle, offering a gateway to a world of delicious and accessible vegan recipes. And this video will cover some of the best and easiest vegan cookbooks for beginners, helping you navigate the exciting world of vegan cooking with confidence and ease, making your culinary journey both enjoyable and fulfilling. Number 5. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. This cookbook is your guide to preparing healthy and delicious meals that are perfect for busy lifestyles. It's all about making mealtime simple and enjoyable without sacrificing nutrition. Learn how to efficiently prep your meals ahead of time. It's easier than you think to save time and eat healthier. Discover recipes that focus on fresh, wholesome ingredients. It's a delicious way to nourish your body. This cookbook offers a wide range of recipes to suit any taste and dietary needs. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Prepare meals in advance and have them ready to grab and go throughout the week. It's perfect for busy mornings and hectic schedules. The recipes use simple cooking methods that are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create healthy meals. What we like. It's perfect for planning your weekly meals. If you are looking for simple, healthy recipes that save you time, this cookbook is a must-have. This will help you stay organized and eat well throughout the week. Number 4. Super Easy Vegan Slow Cooker Cookbook. Welcome to the world of effortless vegan cooking. This cookbook is your key to delicious, healthy meals, all made easy with your slow cooker. Discover 100 simple and satisfying vegan recipes. It's perfect for busy weeknights or relaxed weekends. Each recipe is designed to be both healthy and incredibly tasty. You'll be amazed at how good vegan food can be. The beauty of a slow cooker is its convenience. These recipes are ready when you are, making meal prep a breeze. Even if you're new to vegan cooking or slow cookers, this cookbook will guide you every step of the way. Get ready to enjoy delicious, healthy meals without the fuss. Grab your slow cooker and let's dive into the recipes. You're about to embark on a culinary adventure filled with flavor and ease. What we like. This cookbook is all about convenience. If you're busy and want delicious, healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen, it's the one for you. It simplifies meal preparation and makes healthy eating effortless. Number 3. Vegan 8 Cookbook. This cookbook makes delicious vegan food easy. It features 100 simple recipes, perfect for busy weeknights. Each recipe uses 8 ingredients or less. It's perfect for beginner cooks and those short on time. These recipes are packed with flavor and are completely plant-based. Enjoy a variety of cuisines without the fuss. It's filled with 100 unique and exciting recipes. You'll find something new to try every day. The instructions are clear and concise. Even the most novice cook can create restaurant-quality meals. It's the ideal cookbook for those new to vegan cooking. It simplifies the process and makes it enjoyable. What we like. It focuses on simplicity and ease. If you're a beginner and want to avoid complicated recipes, this cookbook is ideal. It makes vegan cooking accessible and enjoyable for everyone. What people say. Brandy's recipes might be small on ingredients but are positively huge on flavor and satisfaction. I've been prepping and freezing various soups and stews from this book on my days off, so I have a freezer full of healthy, yummy food when I get home. No need for fattening takeout anymore. The book is absolutely stunning and has photos included for every recipe. The design and layout are beautiful and very well thought out. But more importantly, what I love about her recipes is they have few and simple ingredients. All recipes are that good and use easily accessible ingredients, and most are very quick to make for weeknight dinners. Number 2. 30-Day Vegan Meal Plan. Welcome to a simpler, healthier lifestyle. This 30-day plan makes transitioning to veganism easy and enjoyable. Let's get started. The first week focuses on foundational recipes and simple meal prep. You'll learn the basics and build confidence in your new eating habits. This week introduces more diverse flavors and ingredients. It's all about exploring exciting new vegan dishes and expanding your culinary horizons. Now you're cooking like a pro. This week refines your skills with more complex recipes and techniques. You'll feel empowered in the kitchen. The final week helps you maintain your progress and integrate these delicious recipes into your everyday life. It's about long-term success and enjoying your new healthy habits. We've included extra recipes to keep things interesting and ensure you never get bored. Enjoy the variety and continue your vegan journey with confidence. What we like. It provides a structured approach to vegan eating. If you're new to veganism and need guidance, this is your perfect companion. It takes the guesswork out of daily meal planning. What people say. There is such a wide array of options, using a multitude of ingredients and flavors I'm not accustomed to experimenting with. The recipes are divided into logical sections, which I have listed below with some of the standouts. Breakfast, tofu eggs, blueberry oatmeal with walnuts, banana, and coconut, Tex-Mex migas salad, tropical quinoa salad, Napa cabbage salad, Tex-Mex taco salad soups and stews, thick and hearty minestrone, Tex-Mex tortilla soup, quick Cuban black bean soup burgers and sandwiches, lentil sloppy joes, Italian seitan sausage hoagies, jackfruit barbecue sandwiches apps, sides, and snacks, cashew mozzarella and marinara dip, tofu summer rolls, pan-sautéed sweet plantains, Spanish rice. Sauces and dressings, cashew Caesar dressing, peanut sauce, mango relish entrees, southwestern black bean and quinoa bowls, portobello pineapple poke bowls, Caribbean jerk tempeh bowls desserts, Texas-style pineapple mango cobbler, coconut rice pudding, spiced baked apples with walnuts and oats. The fried cauliflower is amazing and so easy to make. The blueberry oatmeal, every person I have made it for has loved it. The chocolate smoothie is my son's favorite and so healthy. Number 1. Epic Vegan Cookbook. This cookbook is your key to delicious, plant-based meals. It's filled with simple recipes that are perfect for busy weeknights. Discover the ease of one-pot cooking with these amazing recipes. They require minimal cleanup and maximum flavor. With one pan, you can create impressive meals. It's the perfect solution for easy cleanup and delicious results. These recipes are designed to be easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Enjoy the taste of delicious vegan food without the fuss. These recipes are quick to prepare, perfect for busy weeknights. Enjoy a healthy and satisfying meal without spending hours in the kitchen. It's time to explore the world of delicious vegan cooking. Let this cookbook be your guide to a healthier and more flavorful lifestyle. What we like. It emphasizes speed and minimal cleanup. If you value convenience and want to minimize time spent cooking and cleaning, this is the cookbook for you. It makes weeknight dinners a breeze. What people say. Every recipe is tastier than the next. Everything comes together easy with minimal effort, great for weeknight meals. They use so many pantry staples, you'll find yourself knowing you can go to the store and grab kale, nutritional yeast, cashews, pasta, and be able to make half the book. Hands down a 5-star cookbook. I bought this book in October of 2020 and have used it almost weekly since. If we need a reliably tasty recipe for a quick meal, the recipes in this book do the trick. My family begs me to make the beefless red wine stew on a regular basis. Since working from home, the rainbow vegetables and tofu sheet pan has been a lifesaver. The pictures are nice, the instructions are clear, and the substitution suggestions work. And oh yeah, everything is pretty quick and easy to make, many one-pot and/or one-sheet pan type recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.